Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Truecaller app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do now, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to, sorry, we'll go back here. You click on your photo profile. So then it's going to take you to your profile here. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on calls. So then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you come here to announce phone calls. Click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that means it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.